Hi, my name is Richard Pereira, and I'm a faculty at the University of California, Davis School of Veterinary Medicine. Through this video, I will share how you can access a new exciting training program for farm workers aimed at supporting early and accurate diagnosis of disease in dairy cattle. This program was developed through a collaboration between the University of California, Davis School of Veterinary Medicine and the Ohio State University College of Veterinary Medicine, with the lead project managers being Dr. Greg Haben from The Ohio State University and myself representing UC Davis. This program is available for free and includes the option for receiving a certificate upon completion of all 6 modules available through the program. This video will focus on providing information on how you can access this training material. The modules are developed with ease of use and accessibility in mind and can be used through a computer or laptop and through mobile devices with Apple or Android operating systems. The modules are available in both English and Spanish, and the training modules are located on the Extension Foundation website, and I will demonstrate how you can access these modules today. One option is to conduct a search using your preferred search engine, inserting the words Extension Foundation course in the search box, as I'll show here. I'm using Google, entering Extension Foundation courses, and clicking enter. As you can see here for my search, this was the first option that came up. And once I click on that, I will be taken to the website for the Extension Foundation. To access the courses fully and enroll, you will need to create a login. And for that purpose, at the top right of the website, you'll see the option login. And once you click on that login, you will be taken to this option. If you already have a login, you can just enter it here. If not, you can create a new login by just going to the lower left portion of the web page where you'll see create new account. Once you click on create new account, first you'll be asked to accept the cookie policies, which you will have to if you want to use the software in this program. Just clicking agree here. And you'll be taken to the new account generation page. Here you'll be able to create a username, a password, an email address. And of importance, I'll highlight here is option for first and last name. This is an important step because, as I mentioned, you can generate a certificate if you have interest. And if the incorrect information is entered, your certificate will have an incorrect name. And it's very difficult to adjust that. So please be very cautious when entering your first and last name here because it will be used for your certificate. With that in mind as well, each individual taking the course needs to create their own account if they want to receive a certificate with their name on it. So if you have 3 farm workers on the farm that want to take the course and they want a certificate, they have to create their own login. And from there, they can also follow their progression through the course and receive certificate based on that. Once you complete your login, you'll be able to go to the main web page for the courses, and from there you'll be able to search for the course specifically. And for that, in the search course tab, you'll enter the information early and accurate disease detection in dairy cattle. And you do have to enter the information very precisely, otherwise it may not come up on your search. And here you can see we identified the early and accurate disease detection. And if I click on that, I will be able to enroll in this course at the bottom of the web page. And as an option for that, alternative for that, you can also use the information in the bottom of this box to access this page directly without having to enter the search process. And that will be something you could do by directly entering the information on the search page or clicking on the hyperlink. Once you're on this page, you'll see that I have enrolled here. And in our main page, there's also the option of going to our Spanish version. And if I click on that and open that window, it'll take me to the Spanish version of the course, which you will have to also enroll in the Spanish version if you want to take it. So they are 2 independent separate courses with the same content, one in English and one in Spanish, but you would have to access that this way and enroll as well. But going back to the main course, you can see here we have information for how to complete this course and the modules. We have a tab with supporting file information that has a step-by-step downloadable file that will give information about how to use, how to access this course, and how you could potentially implement this course in the farm. It really is made to be tailored to your farm, so you can adjust it and adapt it and work with veterinarian as much as you think is needed so that it can really fit the needs for your farm and how it would fit best for training of farm workers. And as much of the collaboration and interaction with the veterinarian and these steps of the training and follow-up are super important to really make this course effective. There's also a file about how to use and install the software on your mobile device. This includes potential for installing an app called Moodle. This app is accessible for free, and it really facilitates the use of the content in your phone. Sometimes there's some clickables that are not as effective if you just use your browser on your mobile device, but if you install Moodle and access the course, which is very simple to do using this guide, you can really utilize the course material to its fullness. For course modules, you'll have access to all 6 modules here. And as an example, if you just click on one, it'll take you to that module and all the different menus and chapters for that module. This is also the tab where you can see your completion of that module or not and which modules you have completed. We also have a completion of certificate of completion tab. In this tab, once you complete all 6 modules, you do not have to complete them in order. You can complete them in whichever order you wish. You will have a certificate that will be generated, and the name for the certificate will be your registration name for your account. We have a tab with acknowledgements. This gives a little bit of a feedback on all the team involved with this process, including stakeholders and funding sources, and some information on research and evidence-based background that we use for creating these materials. And lastly, we have opportunity for feedback and suggestions. And again, this was a course and training program that was developed really closely with a close relation with stakeholders, including farm workers and farmers and veterinarians. And really, it's super important to get your feedback to continue to improve this material. So if you have any feedback, you can use this option here, click answer the question. And it's anonymous, and if you provide any information, it will really be helpful to improve the course or bugs you saw in the training material that we can fix, or any additional information and ideas to continue to improve this course and potential future courses that we hope to continue to be developing and making accessible to farm workers and to really improve the dairy as a whole. So I hope this video has been helpful, and again, if you have any suggestions or comments, please provide them below, or also using this option on the course through the feedback and suggestions. Thank you again.